So I just crashed the drone.
Not a stay at all.
So we're at Cypress Bend. It's a winery here in North Carolina. We just got a tasting for both of us, so we're pretty excited. It's a beautiful spot. We're spending the night here as well. Excited to try it out and see what this place has got to offer.
So 2 tastings means we got every single wine on the menu. I'm so pumped. Got our water ready for when we're back in the van, but gonna be feeling good.
So North Carolina is known for what they call muscadine wine. It's not the same as what you would think of like your California and your French and Italian wines. It has a little bit of a different taste. So this is the first time we've ever tried muscadine wine, so we don't even know what it tastes like at all. It's good. So that will be interesting and we'll see how it goes.
So this is our drier wines and this is our sweeter wines. So she told us to start counterclockwise. So we'll start here with the dry whites and make our way to our dry reds.
Dry, we're starting off with the driest, and this is driest white.
Number 1.
I'm not a wine connoisseur, but I do like drinking. It's really tasty.
This is another dry white muscadine. Oh, it makes my tongue tingle. Number 4, this one won a bunch of awards. Another muscadine. Oh, I don't know if I like this one as much. It almost has like a medicinal taste.
Let me try it, Lisa. Let's see.
And she hung up on me. Sure enough,
On to the next one. Finally, our first red. I'm a big red guy. But this is muscadine.
I told Pat this too, so Pat's calling me.
Did it burn or something?
I think I wrong pipe. I love reds. I like red wine. So all the other wines are muscadine except for 2. They have their Cab and their Malbec, which are not grown here, but still locally sourced. I love Cab. A little bit different than I've had before, but still good.
Okay, so we finished the dry and almost all the crackers. Muscadine in itself is pretty sweet, so I'm kind of curious as to how sweet these are gonna be. Feeling a little tipsy? Getting there. All right, here's the number 1 on the sweet, which is a rosé.
Sipping rosé.
Wow, extremely sweet. Like a rosé times 10. Delish.
I think I like the whites, but I'm not a white guy. I love reds. I like red wine.
We're just gonna chug them. Last one, baby. Cheers. So sweet.
So I just crashed the drone. I think I flew it, I think I've flown it twice since we've started this, and I don't know, I got too excited. I'm not really sure what happened, and then just ran right into this metal fence and it broke it in half. I'm gonna try to MacGyver and see if I can get it back together, but today's not been my day at all. I lost the cap into the sewer, crashed the drone, among other things. I am just off, but I don't have insurance on this one, so I really hope I can like try to repair this thing and it still works, because it's just another cost that I just don't want to have. Oh man.
Lisa, I think I found a place to fix the drone. But it's pretty far away. Looks like we're gonna have to make the drive.
Videos every Monday and Thursday. Hit subscribe and the notification bell to be part of our community and the first to know.